to the Celebrity Equinox room 3134.
I'm a boss. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum.
You can see when you first walk in, there is a nice sized bathroom. There's the toilet. There's the shower. As you can see, it's a nice size shower with sliding doors. Very nice shower head. Comfortably, you can take a shower here and don't feel claustrophobic. So then here's a sink. And y'all, for this to be a cruise bathroom on a cruise ship, it's very nice. There's storage right there. There's a toilet bowl brush. You have your tissue, your speaker, your announcements. There's plenty of storage in here, as you can see. Trash can. And they make sure you have the celebrity experience. So here's the conditioner, the shampoo, and the brand they use is, can you all see that? It's the soap. Of course, they have Evian water, but we won't be paying for that because we saving our coins. Got the tissue box. You have the soap. A very nice size mirror. And of course, y'all, I brought some Dow soap. There's nothing wrong with that soap, but I brought our own. Nice sink. I love the bowl. I don't know what this says. Oh, if you want to stop the sink up, you can. Then there is, y'all, it's a lot of storage in here. A lot of storage in the bathroom. And there's more storage there. More storage under the sink. And then make sure you step down. You don't want to bust your head. But yes, this is the bathroom in the celebrity cabin. It's a full-length mirror if you want to check yourself out. And it's Drake. And it's Drake. Get it. Oh, yeah. Y'all, it's a full-length mirror right there. So then, hooks if you want to hang something up. There's a picture on the wall. Now, the steward has not been in to separate the beds. So this converts to 2 twin beds. The closet, as you can see, a lot of storage in the closet. I am really loving the closet. I don't know what that is. Oh, there are little hooks that come down. And then there's also storage up there. I give them an A+ for the closet space. Oh, then we have a 3 cabin room, which can accommodate 3. Celebrity only has select cabins that can accommodate 3, and that's only 3 parties in a room. You can see a lot of storage in there. There's also over the bed storage. There's extra blankets up there. Nightstand. They have a Bible if you want to give praise to the Lord. The light switches that, you know, do come on. I'm not sure how to turn those on. So yes, this is the bed. It's a little firm, but you know, it's cool. And then there's another storage on top of there. So plenty of storage. And there's blankets and pillows up there. Another light. Another nightstand. And this is the next thing, like the Trundle Bed. So as you can see, you can either lay on it as a couch and take the pillows off, or you can, this is the Trundle. It doesn't roll out on the bottom. So the good thing is you don't have to pull anything out. Reaction to when I said this don't let out, it was trapped up in there like, whoa, keep sabe. It's in there. So you could have 4 in here if you want to, but I don't know what this like. This is killing that. But yeah, I guess shut up, Nicole. You know what the hell you talking about. We have a ocean view cabin. So as you can see, there's the window. Here's a nice little desk over here. A chair. There's more storage. Oh, this is if you want to control the TV. They have a little computer, keyboard. Very nice vanity. plugs. Of course, we brought a power strip. I didn't know this was a plug previously, but I was informed that it was. It's not a normal plug. Lights come on. And then, of course, there's the safe. You want to lock up your belongings. There's the refrigerator. More storage. Ample storage. Another drawer. The TV. Yes, there's a safe. They do have free room service with a certain time. If you order after a certain time, room service is $4.95. This is what you use to access your room. And anything you purchase on the ship is charged to that card. I hope y'all enjoyed my tour of the Celebrity Equinox Cabin 3134. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any more videos pertaining to the Celebrity Equinox, as well as any other videos about this fabulous cruise, as well as this amazing, beautiful cruise ship. So I do thank y'all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. And this is the room, and it's very nice. And I will see y'all later. Bye.
I'm Bossy. I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right.